All right, what's going on, folks? Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today, I'm doing a quick video on this 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500. This is an RST truck, four-wheel drive, and it is in beautiful condition inside and out. 130,000 miles on the clock, and it is priced aggressive to sell it based on year and mileage. You won't find a nicer lifted truck with 130 that has the upgrades that this truck has for this type of money. So it's currently riding on a set of American Force, I think 2212s. Let me see. Damn, no, 24s, let's go. All right, so a set of 24 by 12 American Force wheels, set of almost actually they are brand new. Look at the nipples. Look at her nurple. She's got nurples on them. Basically a 35 and a half Nitto Recon Grappler. So paint's in extremely good shape. This truck easily would pass for like a 60,000 mile truck. That's how well this truck was taken care of on the outside. Light scratch there. I can't even put my fingernail in it, so that'll probably come out. You guys can see it looks to have all original paint. There's one light scratch right there. But this truck is in amazing shape for the mileage, no question. Again, RST truck, toolbox, spray in Bedliner, factory dual exhaust, undercarriage, same thing, no issues with rust. I don't recall what lip kit's in it. All the upgrades will be listed in the description, so head over to the description. It'll give you a link directly to my website, Instagram, Facebook. It'll answer a lot of your questions right there. So this looks to be like a 6 or 7 inch RC kit. Again, we got the forces, a little bit of curb rash on the driver's side wheel, a little bit of curb rash on the passenger side wheel, which is fixable. They are forged wheels, so it is something that is easily fixed. I'll give you guys a good shot of the interior. Passenger side, brand new RC Flex Fit floor mats, finished off wood grain trim, factory heated seats, big screen, navigation. The headliner looks extremely clean. The leather over on this side looks very, very nice. You got your jack in the back, RC mats in the back as well. Back interior, pretty much flawless. I mean, interior is gorgeous. So interior, exterior, this truck's priced under 30 grand for a new body style, and it's sitting on American Force wheels. If you guys are not a fan of the wheels, I'd easily swap you out to something else, no question. I also take a little bit of money off the price and swap you into a different wheel if you don't want forces. Factory 8-way adjustable power seat. Passenger side in good shape. That's just a little bit of dirt. Anyway, come on now. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like and subscribe. We have tons more trucks coming up this week. This is like the 7th video posted today alone. I have at least 10 to 12 more that are in service that I haven't done videos of yet. We stock anywhere from 50 to 60 lifted trucks at all times to give you guys tons of different options, whether you're Ford, Chevy, GMC, it doesn't matter, we carry them all. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, give us a call direct, 843-697-7501. Also, notice one little nick right there. A little touch-up paint will cure that problem. 2019 RST, 130K, priced under 30 grand, guaranteed to sell quick. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, shoot us an email, Deluxe Motorsports. Visit the website, deluxemotorsports.com. Till next time, next video, it's your boy Mark. I'm out of here. Peace.